Today I'm down in Dunedin, overlooking Port Chalmers here. This is a volcanic peninsula on the very southern east coast of New Zealand. I've never really poked around here before. This is the main container port here, and right on out the heads there to Tairoa Heads, famous for the wandering albatross that come there to nest. So I'm hoping that I can get out there and have a look around tomorrow on the jet ski. This monument on the lookout above Port Chalmers is memorialised to Robert Scott, the English explorer who went to the South Pole and lost his life on the return journey. Paul here on the mole at Aramoana here. Paul, you've been in the tide there getting some fish.
Yeah, we're trying to get some greenbone and moki.
Oh yes, yeah.
And if there's some pā over there, try and get some of those too.
Yes, you like those fellas?
Yep.
Oh, good. So you got all the gear. You got the spear gun.
Yeah, you got to have a spear gun and some good fins.
Yes.
Snorkel mask,
Lovely.
weight belt, and it's a 7mm wetsuit, the one I've got.
Oh yes, yeah. My one's only 3mm. I'd be shivering. So you got a catch bag out there with your mate, have you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sam's got the catch bag out there.
Yes.
He's still pretty keen.
Is he? Yeah.
Yeah.
You got cold, so you pulled out.
Yeah, I'm pretty cold now. We've been
Yeah.
in the water for over an hour.
Have you? Yes. I haven't had the drone up for a while, so I was going gentle with my flight. That's Tairoa Heads across in the distance there. You're not allowed over there with the drones. You've got to stay back at least from the edge of the mole here. But I could see the big birds coming into land, and of course you don't want to be anywhere near them. So I went for a flight in the opposite direction, just to check that everything was all right with the drone. So I shot over to this cliff in the distance here for a quick look around. The little township in front of us now is Aramoana, famous for the shooting spree that happened back in November 1990. 14 deaths in total, including the perpetrator. The purpose of these two moles is to protect the entrance of the harbour and stop them from silting up from their northerly drift around the end of the peninsula. I was biding my time knowing that there was a cruise liner due out. This view's back up the harbour. I was hoping to be able to see the big cruise liner and be prepared for it as it came round the corner. I couldn't see the cruise liner on its outward journey, so I headed back to base and packed away the drone.